Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create this fall themed table runner to decorate your table. We are always a little sad to see summer come to an end, but the beautiful colors and design of this table runner will make you look forward to the beautiful change of season. We have included applique designs for you to create your appliques. I will be using INVISAFIL to stitch down my applique pieces. INVISAFIL is a 100 weight polyester thread, and as it is so fine, it virtually disappears in your work. This makes it perfect for applique when you don't want to see your stitches. I will also be using the 12 weight cotton thread called Spagetti. This heavier thread is still fine enough to go through the machine needle, and it's also bold enough for hand stitching design elements. I will be using it to outline my applique pieces and add design features to each applique piece. As always, I will be using Deco Bobbin the bobbin with both top threads. The 80 weight thread on these pre-wound bobbins makes the perfect companion for all top weights of thread. Cut one piece of 20 inch by 20 inch fabric for the center of your runner and two pieces the same size for each end of the runner in a contrast fabric. The applique pieces will go on the center piece. Trace the provided applique designs onto the fusible web and cut loosely around the designs. Fuse the web onto the wrong side of your chosen fabrics for the leaves. Then trim closely around each piece. Arrange these pieces on the center panel as desired and fuse in place. Back each piece with stabilizer and add the design lines by hand or machine using spaghetti in your needle. Load your machine with INVISAFIL in a matching color and place some batting behind the applique pieces. Use a close, small zigzag and stitch around each applique piece. Stitch each end piece right sides together with your centerpiece, one on each side, using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and press the seams open. Now, back the entire piece with batting and your backing fabric. Using spaghetti in your needle and Deco Bobbin the bobbin, stitch around the outside of each applique piece to add dimension and create a trapunto effect. Switch to INVISAFIL in your needle and stitch in the ditch of the two seams on either side of the center piece. Finally, bind all the edges of the runner, referring to the binding video below to calculate and sew the binding. You have created a beautiful table runner for your fall decor to decorate your Thanksgiving table for years to come. Let us know in the comment section below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.